Hello, my little friends. I'm Princess Marisella, and I live in a bright castle by the sea. I love to sing, play my ukulele, and paint colorful pictures.
Today we are going to draw something so funny and magical, a unicorn cat. Did you know cats love soft colors like pink and purple? And when you add a rainbow horn, oh, it becomes the happiest kitty in the clouds.
In my castle in the clouds, where the ocean waves are near, Princess Marisella smiles, her voice is calm and clear. Today we'll draw together, let your colors start, a unicorn cat of magic, straight from my heart. Take your paper gently, your markers in your hand. We'll bring to life a friend from a joyful, dreamy land. Round face, shining eyes, freckles sweet and small. This unicorn cat will be the friendliest of all. Draw and sing, let the colors shine. Brown eyes sparkle, magic by design. Draw and sing, make the horn so bright. Pink and turquoise stripes glowing in the light. Draw and sing, let the colors shine. Brown eyes sparkle, magic by design. Draw and sing, make the horn so bright. Pink and turquoise stripes glowing in the light. Swish, swish with your marker, a circle soft and round. Cheeks with rosy blushes, pink dots that we found. Add the little freckles, dot, dot here and there. A tiny nose of brown, drawn with love and care. Inside the ears is blue, a color shining true. The flower pink beside the horn, a gift from
Wow! Look at your unicorn cat drawing. So beautiful. You did a wonderful job, my artist friend. I love mine too. And now, let's go outside for a walk with my favorite unicorn cat. Maybe it will chase rainbows.
Swoop, swoop, nice and neat. Our magical cat is playful, clever, sweet. Colors come together, a portrait full of cheer. A unicorn cat smiling.